In this video, we will show the best iPhone 11 Pro charging cable available to buy. At number 8. Dbeautify's USB fast charging cable. It ensures complete charge and sync compatibility with all iPhone devices. It featuring a compact design, this power adapter gives fast, efficient charging. At number 7. MoboPlanet compatible data cable. It is an additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. At number 6. INICIO lighting to USB cable. It is a perfect alternative to the standard iPhone Lightning cable for outdoor activities and families with naughty children and pets. At number 5. Stair fast charging power adapter with cable. It has good charging speeds, most powerful. Charge any USB powered devices at top speed continuously comes. At number 4. Benks USB Type-C to Lightning cable. It delivers a high-speed charge up to 3A max with the USB C PD charger to charge an iPhone from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes. At number 3. Stuffcool USB C to Lightning cable. It supports fast charging for various latest Apple devices. iPhones get charged 0 to 50% using this cable and a Type-C power delivery charger in 30 minutes. At number 2. Ausmo fast charging iOS cable. It is braided with tough nylon material with premium finishing with laser logo. Cables are durable and long-lasting and super sleek, allowing you to easily plug your cable into any phone case. At number 1. Anker USB C to Lightning cable. It is longer than other cables and proven to withstand over 12,000 bends in strict laboratory tests. It is MFI certification and strict quality testing.